Hi, and welcome to your next lesson. So we're still building on the first principle I shared with you, that acting is doing. So what I want to do now is share with you the central question you always need to ask yourself when you're looking at a script, when you're working through a scene. And that question is, what do I need to do? And in order to act truthfully, to bring an authentic life to your character, you have to be able to answer that question. What do I need to do? So let's use, for example, just what we did in the first lesson where I had you reading the book that was right above my shoulder, or when I had you counting the picture frames or looking for objects that were red. So let's say we had a simple scene that was, my character needs to get inventory of the things I want to put in for a garage sale. So it's a simple thing. What do I need to do? I need to get you to count all these things up for me. Go count the picture frames. Go tell me is that book the book that I want to sell? Go read it for me so I can make sure if I want to keep it or not. And then I hate red, so find everything that has red in it and bring it to me, and we're going to get rid of it. So that answers the question, what do I need to do? That's my objective, to get you to count up all the picture frames, to find out what that book is, and to find all the objects that have red in them. So for example, when a lot of actors, when they'll come into scenes when I'm teaching workshops, they don't have they'll be very general on what their objective is. And if you're general on things, your acting is going to be very kind of foggy, and it's not going to be very clear. And at the same time, you're not going to have the connection and the life that you're really wanting to bring to it. So there's a couple of simple things that you can do that will immediately bring your objective to life. One of them is to always make sure when you are setting up your objective that it actually involves another person. So sometimes I'll hear actors, they will say, well, I just want out of here. So let's take that I want out of here, and we'll use the scene from the movie, what's the Matt Damon movie? My wife's off camera. What's the Matt Damon movie? Where he's the genius.
Ben Affleck?
Yes.
Ben Affleck?
Yes.
Oh God.
See, this is real. This is behavior right here.
And who's the guy again?
Robin Williams.
Oh yeah, Robin Williams. Good Will Hunting.
Yeah, Good Will Hunting. So the scene in Good Will Hunting where Matt Damon has to fight with Minnie Driver because she's asking him about his brothers and things in his life, and he's got a scar on his body. She's asking him about that. So his objective, the thing that he needs to do, is to keep his past a secret. So it involves keeping his past a secret from her. I can't let you know about the lies that I've shared with you. I can't let you know about the things that have happened to me in the past. But her objective is to find out about him. She wants to get to know him better. So that's the second thing that you need to add in. You always add in conflict, because without conflict, there is no drama. And so a simple way to make sure that you're working in the right way, when you're writing out your objective, also write out your scene partner's objective or the other character's objective. What is it that the other character is trying to get? What do they need to do? And then that will help you get clarity for your objective, because you'll understand more of what you need to do. Because it's always, in good writing, it will always be the exact opposite of the other person. So what we're going to do in our next lesson is we're going to get into the specifics of, once you've just asked that question, what do I need to do? Then you're going to find out exactly how you get what you need. And that's what we'll be covering in our next lesson. So we'll see you there.